Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Sharma. I have qualified UGC NET-LS December 2023. I am from Jammu and it was very difficult for me to qualify this exam, but one of my seniors have advised me to join the A.S.S Science Foundation, and I would say it is the best decision taken by me ever. I really want to thank the whole faculty of A.S.S Science Foundation, especially Gaurav sir, Sumit sir, Tanya ma'am, Ali sir and Manisha ma'am. Your guidance and encouragement have helped me a lot throughout the whole journey. The study material provided by them is precise and understandable for clearing the exam. They conduct regular tests. They also provide previous year questions along with selected solution in which every question has detailed and thorough information and explanation. It was very useful for us and is enough for the preparation. Once again, I would like to thank all the faculty of A.S.S Science Foundation for making my dream come true. Thank you.